We have started sharing. We're going to have a workshop afterwards, so I'm looking forward to it. And tomorrow we will have a best practice session, and I'm really looking forward to it. You can talk to the other distributors and you can really share your knowledge. And so my hope is to get some tips and tricks on how they are working.
We want to give the possibility from customer to have good quality material, good calculation, promote the HRI certification to give to the customer the best what we can. We have good relationship with other partners and we can talk together.
Our focus is growth. We want to grow more than the market, and district cooling is a big thing in Norway at the moment. We want to be a part of that. So that is one of our big ambitions for the next year.